Here's a little quick tidbit on BrickWeb. It is brick mesh web product with thin brick directly adhered to it. This is patented. We can supply BrickWeb flats, corners, herringbone. This is a retail product sold in big box stores all over the nation. Very easy to install. It is genuine kiln-fired clay brick. Saves you on time, labor costs, cuts easily, and meets ASTM requirements. And then, of course, Panel Plus wall system. This patented product is the focus of today's course presentation. It has continuous insulation, thermal efficiency. It's an air and water barrier protection involved in the complete wall assembly, rain screen performance, fire resistance, time, labor savings, sound attenuation benefits, and has a 15-year system warranty.